How to use DeepSeek for data analysis. You can use DeepSeek for data analysis by its web interface by uploading data file CSV, Excel or JSON and using a natural language prompt as well, or by integrating its API into your own project using Python and other languages as well. So this method is suitable for business users or data analysts who needs quick instant without extensive technical knowledge as well. So what you need is basically you want to go ahead and open up your DeepSeek onto your device. You could use the browser version of it as well as you could use the app as well. If you have an app installed, you want to create an account and then you'll be taken to this field, right? So basically for the data analysis, what you could do is you want to make sure that you have a data already. Click the plus button and then you could go ahead and click on photo, image or document. If you have it in the document format, you want to go ahead and upload the image. And next you want to type in the prompt stating that you want to data analyze and give a prompt. Make sure to be clear with the prompt, what sort of information you like to receive and in what format. You also want to be clear about that, and this way you'll be able to use DeepSeek for data analysis. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.